Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locking down capture settings because fixing grain later is limited. Set the camera to the lowest usable ISO and expose for highlights so you avoid underexposure noise. Once done, open aperture or lower shutter speed to keep ISO low. If motion allows, do it. Make sure to record in RAW or the highest bitrate and use a flat or log profile so you preserve detail. These steps give you the data you need to truly remove grain in post. Once you have clean source footage, you'll run temporal denoising as the primary pass because it uses motion continuity to remove grain without softening detail. Then apply a conservative spatial denoise to handle residual speckle. Keep it moderate so textures remain natural. Make sure to process in full bit depth or 16-bit linear to avoid banding, and use selective masks for skin and high detail areas so sharpening and texture preserve where needed. This sequence balances noise removal with detail retention. You finish by adding restrained, targeted sharpening to recover perceived detail. Use a small radius and low amount so you don't reintroduce grain. Then export at a high bitrate and the correct color profile to prevent compression from reintroducing artifacts. If you still see grain, the key troubleshooting tip is to go back to capture. Underexposed footage or native high ISO cannot be fully fixed. Reshoot with better exposure or lighting. Then repeat the denoise workflow for a true solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.